Good day everyone, my name is Melvin, sales manager of WELLINE Machinery. Today I'm here in our production area. Today I want to tell you how to choose the right jaw crusher. Last time I took a video about our jaw crusher, the structure, the wearing parts, our advantages. Many customers, they are very interested. But they said, okay Melvin, your jaw crusher's price is higher than others. So that's why I'm here again in our production area. I want to tell you the difference. Okay, look at this video. This is from our competitor. This is the 600-900 model jaw crusher. Capacity 100 to 150 tons per hour. And this is our jaw crusher 600-900 model. Did you see the difference? Okay. Please look at the motor poly part, the thickness of the steel, and this part, and also the thickness of the steel. Usually the bigger and wider, that means a higher production capacity. So we are a real factory, not a trading company, so you get what you pay for. Even we are the same model, 600-900 model, but the quality is different. So you have to be careful. Again, thanks for trusting WELLINE Machinery. If you are interested in our jaw crusher, contact me. Thanks.